Welcome back to electronics class. So we're in lab 1, and I want you to look on page 11 in your book of the picture of this simple circuit. And I want to read a little bit while you look at that on figure B. So be right here on figure B. And just kind of look at this. You're going to see the electron current, the voltage equals the source of power, wire is a path for electrons. So just look at that while I read this. And you may be asking the question, what is a simple circuit? A simple circuit has 3 key distinct properties to function correctly: voltage, resistant, and current. Knowing that every current requires voltage, resistant, and current to function, you will learn to read a schematics that will gradually illustrate the necessary components needed to complete a circuit. Every component is represented by a symbol. Shown here are all the schematic symbols for the component you will use. And we learned about that on page 10. Okay? All right. I want to read some more about the simple circuit. When you look at the picture, When you look at the picture of the simple circuit, figure B, you see the 3 essential elements that make up the circuit: voltage, resistance, and current. Voltage is represented by the letter E. Resistance is denoted by R, and current uses the letter I. Observe that in figure B that there is a pictorial representation of this simple circuit on the left, a solderless circuit board with the simple circuit on the right, and a solderless circuit board with a simple circuit in the center, and as well as a schematics representation on the right. Included to help you visualize the concept of a simple circuit. The electronics flow from the negative terminal of the battery through the wire, the resistor, returning to the positive terminal of the battery, and the amount of electrons that will flow depend on the resistance of the resistor. In this circuit, the negative side of the battery has millions of electrons, while the positive side of the battery lacks electrons. In the illustration shown here, figures C and D, the electrons flow from the negative of the battery through the wire into the LED, causing the LED to light up through the resistor, returning to the battery. The flow of electrons has caused the LED to light up, and the resistor provides the necessary resistance to make sure the LED does not burn out. The illustration of the LED as the schematics is shown in figure C and has completed this circuit, figure D.